Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create your event photography business online on Wix.com. So you have an event photography business and you want it to be online. Wix is the right place. Wix is a web hosting service that allows businesses and individuals to create and manage their websites. The first thing to do is to create your account. Next, you click on create new site. Then you answer Wix's questions. Here we have what kind of website are you creating? We have event P photography events photographer here. Next, we have what's the name of your website. I didn't even ask if I can put pictures. I mean stickers. Nope, I can't. Let's put something like this. Next, we have what would you like to add to your website? Portfolio and booking. The other things I don't think are available for their business. Events, chats, blogs, pricing plans, forums, Instagram feeds, video, music, groups, file share, bands in town. We have a restaurant menu, food orders, sub reservation forms, groups, online programs. They are not for an event photographer. You are just a photographer. You take pictures, you don't organize events or chats. So to get started, you can start by setting up your website, or you can let Wix fix the website for you. So let's go to the dashboard and follow the steps to the creation of our website and not jump in anything. So here at the dashboard, we completed one of 7 steps. The second step is to connect it to a domain, and to connect your website to a domain, you will need to upgrade your membership to the premium or the business plan to access to a domain. A domain is something like this. We choose something like this and click on let's go. That's the name of our website, and madaga.com is available. So to get it, you will need to upgrade, like I said. So let's go home and pass to the third step. Add your first service. So I'm a photographer. What kind of service I'm providing? Yes, let's start with this one. So family photography, tagline. You can add a description. Make it words it. Don't mind with the meaning or something like this. It doesn't mean anything. The duration you can choose. The buffer time you can also choose. The buffer time is add some time after each session to create short breaks. And the payment is per section or per plan. I think per session will be good. So the amount will be something like this, a fixed price or varied price. And let's save, then you can add. So they can also book with the staff and it will cost more. So if you have more than a photographer in your group, one costs less and the pro one costs more, something like this. Here we have locations. I come to you. Here we have staffs. We already added staffs. Click on save. Then let's go back to home. Now set your working hours. Set your hours. You work every day. So update your staff detail. We already added one staff. So yes, just like this, you can edit it and add their emails, phone numbers, working hours, and click on save. Let's remove 1 hour for them. Then click on save. Now let's go back home. And we have the payment method is easy. You just click set payment method, enter your credit card or PayPal account email, credit card information or the email of your PayPal. Now let's get to the real step is to design your website. You can let Wix create the website for you, or if you have design expertise, you can start from zero with a template and design it yourself. Now let's count on Wix and click get started. First thing to do is give it some simple informations like the logo, the the name, the email, the address, the phone number, and link it to social account like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, or others. Next, we have pick a theme. So Wild Rose, Humble, Elegant. Let's choose Wild Rose. Now Wix.com will give you three options of homepage. You choose between them. Once you choose, your website is started to be created. So something like this. So yep, let's take this or this one. This one. Now you add pages to your homepage, like services you offer, testimonial, clients, contact, and some information about your events photographer, your business, your website, about you. Doesn't matter, you add some information to fill up the website so it looks good and attract more customers. Now your website is ready and will be ready in few seconds. You just have to edit it. Yes, edit it, change the pictures, change the text, change everything else. Then click on save. Now there is your website. Like I said, you go to the editor, change everything about it. You can add sections, add text, add employers, add services, add apps, forums, and site, whatever you want. Next, we have the last step is to be found on Google. And to be found on Google, you just have to fill up some informations. And it's the easy way, like your brand name, how do you serve your customers. Let's make it worldwide or online, and some keywords. Something like this, keywords that you will be found with them on Google. Now, after completing those 3 steps, each step have more steps in it, your page will be found on Google and optimized to the search engine, and people can find it easily and book with you. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.